This course has two prerequisites. 1. Experience with JavaScript. 2. Experience in the terminal or shell. If you've never written a line of JavaScript, this course is definitely not for you. I will not be covering JavaScript itself, and I'll make very few attempts to explain my usage of various functions and patterns. This course is a masterclass. It's definitely not where you want to start your journey into JavaScript. I'd recommend pausing these lectures, taking an Intro to JS course, and then returning here later. As far as syntax goes, we'll be using whatever syntax best illustrates our examples. Sometimes that's ES6, sometimes it's not. Sometimes there's promises, sometimes there's callbacks. In the end, it doesn't really matter. If you don't have at least a passing familiarity with ES6 conventions, you may want to go learn that, but I'm sure you'll still be able to understand the examples, even if the syntax is brand new to you. The vast majority of the code will be written in normal ES5. Now, if you've never programmed in Node.js specifically, because you've only done front-end JavaScript, for example, that's okay. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know about Node. You don't need to take any other Node.js course prior to this one. That being said, this is a difficult and taxing course intended to elevate your existing skills. This probably won't be the most fun way to learn Node. For starters, we're just going to be too thorough. We're going to teach lots of things that Node beginners just don't need to know. Also, since you've never used frameworks like Express or popular NPM libraries, you may very well not appreciate the whole point of this course, which is to depart from those things. But that's your choice. If you're a front-end JavaScript dev and want to take this course as your intro to Node.js, you'll do fine. You'll just graduate from this course at a much higher level than you might have intended. Also, as I mentioned, you're going to need to be comfortable in the shell. I'm not going to be walking through how to change directories, create an empty file, move files from one location to another, add things to your path, or anything else like that. You're expected to know your way around the terminal. If you don't, there are plenty of resources out there for you to learn. We don't need to cover those here. That's it. If you know JS, are comfortable in the terminal, and preferably know a little Node, then this course is a good match for where you're at right now.